How to sync contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on your Apple ID profile, which is located at the very top and displays your name. This action takes you to your main Apple account page. From the list of options available here, go ahead and tap on the iCloud option. In the iCloud section, you see an overview of your storage. Look for the section named Save to iCloud, and then tap on the See All button on the right side of it. It will open up a list of all apps that sync data with iCloud. On this list, scroll down until you find Contacts. To sync your contacts with iCloud, ensure the toggle switch is green. Following these steps, you can easily and effectively sync all of your contacts on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.